Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux Cleaners, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the iFORCE. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, an assembly, and an overview where I just talk about the vacuum. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and unbox the vacuum. It's pretty straightforward. There's tape on both sides and down the middle. Now that we have the box open, I'm just going to be taking parts out and telling you what they are. Then after that, we'll get everything lined up and we'll start the assembly process. Instruction manual. Any questions, refer to this. Mini turbo or pet tool. Main extendable wand. Power hose. Your basic attachments. Floor tool / squeegee. Electric power nozzle. And the iFORCE canister itself. Now that everything is unboxed, all the tools and attachments are removed from the packaging, I'll go ahead and assemble. I'm going to remove the things that we don't need for assembly so I have more space. So we'll start with the canister itself, and then the hose. Grab the hose port that plugs directly into the canister. You might have to push the buttons on both sides for it to go in. Give it a tug so you make sure it's in there all the way. Grab the main wand and plug that into the hose. You'll hear it snap into place. Get the power head. If you haven't done so already, take the direct connect port, put that into the pivot. If it doesn't go in all the way at first, you might have to depress the button lock. So, and simply take the main wand, which is connected to the hose, and plug that into the power head. And then go ahead and grab your tool caddy with your crevice and duster brush. The tool caddy connects directly to the wand. My apologies. So just push it on, and then connect the tools. So you saw how easy it is to assemble the iFORCE. Now I'm going to take some time and go over all the parts and attachments you get with the iFORCE. We're going to start with the canister. The Prolux iFORCE is bagless, so if you need to remove the dirt bin to empty out all the dirt and debris you collected while vacuuming, it's pretty simple. If you turn it around, you'll notice this unlock button on the handle. Press that. It'll detach the dirt bin from the actual canister. And on the bottom part, there's going to be this latch. If you press it in, the trap door will release. Make sure you empty all the contents out in a garbage can so you don't get a mess everywhere. On the top of the dirt bin, there's going to be some arrows. If you align the bottom arrow with the outline arrow, it'll unlock the top part of the handle. Here you can find the pre-motor filter. Remove it, get your new one, replace it, put the handle back on, lock it into place. If you need new filters, you can find them on proluxcleaners.com, or you can send us an email at sales@proluxcleaners.com or service@proluxcleaners.com, and we'll get you a new one. So go ahead and make sure that the full arrow lines up with the bottom one. Lock into place. On top of the canister, you'll notice that there is a button on each side. The circle with the eye in it will be the power button. The other one with the cord will be the cord retract. And these fake looking wheels is actually a hidden compartment for the other filter. If you're looking at the back of the vacuum, it's going to be on the left side. You'll notice that there are arrows again. If you see the arrows, you know that you have located the hidden filter, so go ahead and twist it to the left. Take the cover off. You'll find the post motor filter. If you need new ones, get a hold of us. We'll get you taken care of. Insert it back in. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Take the filter with the arrow pointing up, twist it clockwise, it'll lock into place. So now I'm going to go over the main wand. This style of wand is considered direct connect since one end plugs directly into the power head and the hose plugs directly into the top. This wand is extendable, so you can adjust it to a height that is comfortable for you, whether you're a short or tall person. To do so, locate the large black button on the front of the wand. You'll notice that there is an arrow pointing down, which indicates you need to push the button down. Push it down and pull up on the other end. To collapse the wand, push down on the button and push it in. For the main electrical nozzle and main electrical hose, both of them will have a on-off switch. On the power head, it's going to be on the right side. If you're looking from the back of it, there'll be a circle with a line in it. And then on the hose, there's going to be a hose handle switch. There'll be a O and a capital I, if you will. For the power nozzle and the main wand, you're going to want to make sure that both of them are turned on for electric power nozzle to turn on. There will be a video in the corner showing how to do that. You're going to want to make sure that the main vacuum canister is turned on, the hose handle switch is turned on, and then the power head button is turned on. When you get both of these items, the switches will be off. So you're going to make sure that both of them are turned on. If for some reason the power head button is turned off, just make sure the hose handle switch is on and that you press the power head button again. Now I'm going to cover the tools and attachments. This is what we consider a mini turbo or a pet tool. You can use this on couches, chairs, drapes. It's pretty much an upholstery tool, but you can use it on your pet. I know it sounds strange, but pets love it. It gets all the loose hair off and whatnot. You can lock the bristles down by rotating it down, or you can have it just bare surfaces. Crevice tool, you can use this for cracks in between your couches or chairs, or you can use it on your baseboards. Duster brush, pretty much use this for dust on tables, countertops, whatever else you see fit. And on the back you have the floor tool with the squeegee attachment. We will put a link in the description down below for a video on how to attach the squeegee part. I'll just go over it real quick. Pretty much you just have to pop this back bristle off with the flathead screwdriver, pop the new one in. The squeegee tool will be used for hard floor surfaces. It just keeps any dirt or debris from getting past the bristles. So yeah, the hardwood floor tool will be used for hardwood floors. You can also use the power nozzle for hardwood floors. Just make sure you turn the power head off using the switch on the hose handle or the on-off button on the power head. You don't want a spinning brush roll on hardwood surfaces because it won't suck the dirt and debris up, it'll just kick it backwards. So make sure you either use the hardwood floor with or without the squeegee attachment, or you turn your power nozzle off so the brush roll isn't spinning. So before I end this video, I want to cover common troubleshooting you can do at home. If you notice your vacuum suction is poor, you either have a clog somewhere in the hose, the wand, or the power head, your dirt bin is full, or your filters are dirty. To test the suction directly from the canister, unplug the hose and cover the hose inlet port with your hand. If the suction is strong from the canister, go ahead and plug the hose, test it from the hose. If that suction is strong, connect the wand, test it from the wand, and then connect the power nozzle and test it from the power nozzle. If all that seems well, your dirt bin can be full, go ahead and empty it into your trash can. If that's all good to go, check the filters. If the filters are dirty, you can either blow them out with a can of air or air compressor, or you can wash them. If you decide to wash them, make sure you let them dry completely before you reinstall them. If there's any type of water in the filters, the vacuum suction will suck it into the motor, causing premature motor failure. If your power nozzle is not turning on, you want to make sure that both the switch on the hose handle and the switch on the power head are turned on. Also make sure the on-off button on the canister is engaged as well. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can either leave them in the comments section down below or send us an email to service@proluxcleaners.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.